Nah. Yeah, we are live. Yeah, we are live. We are live. We are live. Finally. Finale. Hold on.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your boy Gxarha. Welcome. Peace with the cool guy.
Issue.
Boo, boo, boo,
Issue.
boo. It's crazy.
As always, my dog. Okay, let's wait for
Yeah,
these
man.
people to come in. I have four people now.
Yeah, my brother, because they've been complaining about no, need another conversation, not the pressure lane, and then
Yazi mistake inoyenzayo ngala mini pha. That conversation
yeah,
was live on YouTube.
dang. But it's a bigger
It was
platform,
live
right?
on YouTube. Jesus Christ.
So Urasta is YouTube all the time.
I think it got a notification yena. But
Okay.
I'm live on YouTube. And then he checked that out. Wahlala ku YouTube.
Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, Urasta wa grand. Yeah, ngathi sithi 3 cover online.
Yeah, dog. Ngoku ndiyajonga ngenye imini apha. I'm like, no man, lewe ibe ku YouTube lewe, because i-account ngalamagama wamafanayo kuzo zonke eziphi zothi KGP zothi KGP zothi. So I selected output kanti ndiyithathayo ngu-YouTube instead of Facebook. God damn. But anyway, we're here now, dog.
Yeah, kumoshakala kwenye kulunga kwenye like there's a lot of achievements now nangoku
Yeah, dog. Yeah. We have people bayangena abahlali bayi-32 ngoku bayanyuka abanye bazosithola endleleni man, abanye bazosithela endleleni abanye. What it do bro? What it do,
I'm
Mr.
cool, man. I'm cool. I wasn't kind of terrible. I'm cool. I line, man. I'm feeling good. Koni fever nyani you can quite well, but then a lot of people better met the ones always win. Yeah.
Same time. I hope you couple ngakuphi ke la favor.
Malanga ngoko grand because bezikantyaleni ayitye ngapha so besiphakanyela macala.
Same time. I sure.
Yeah, well, tell me about you, man. If you don't go.
I'm good in fact. I'm on my last stages the fever now. Khawubona mase xa iphelayo mase bakhwela khohlo lokugqibela njola khohlo. Hence money. Bra, la black ngokule. Yo. So hence ngathi ngaze bazokhohlela ngibaleka mute mic fast and then khohlela and onish mic. Unmute mic because ngiyabukela Ishmael edubula kwi-interview. Takala.
Yeah.
So before we talk about anything, how is Joburg, Joe? How is Joburg treating you? Because I have my store in Joburg. I've been to Xhosa for I think I stayed there for like 5 years. Yeah, I think so. So how is Joburg for you?
No, for me, okokuqala ngifike ndize ngobugwala at first because bana ndisize eJoburg, bana ndisize temporarily, bana ndisize mhlawumbe ndihlale for iveki okanye ndihlale for weekend. So this time I decided, okay, it's fine man, move, but still kanye ndifuna uya straight eJoburg, ndifuna uhlala ePitori, yabo, so that iJoburg ndizayibonela phaa kakuhle ndiye xa ndidingeka because I'm avoiding into eyi-one yobana uba ndichaphazeleke izinto zaseJoburg. iJozi country yodwa iqaphela yabona. So I'm building at the same time. I'm trying to find the sound. I'm trying to find myself as a man. I'm trying to discover a lot of things. So I can't be in Joburg fully. So I'm going to talk about my life right now.
Sure.
So far, so good because if you can lala panzi talk, if I can go that way. I want to get but at least I manage now. Hlanganisa. Everyone besithi Gxarha kanenzela i-poster. Gxarha come here izo-performer. Gxarha come here
Yeah,
ndifuna isikipa, ndifuna ijezi. Ucontribute a lot because I managed to buy a lot of things. Now likhaya noko nendlwana yami yabo.
sure.
And i-recognitions ndiyazifumana emajiteni abafana no-El Nino they bayandifowunela. Yo man, pull up kwi-Clips kwi-Conscious Sundays, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so xa kuyivele kulaa cala seJoburg ndikhe ndiye ndiyorhoba phaa khona nomntana womXhosa kuthiwa nguZ no-Static Flow yabo
Static
bane-sessions.
Flow. You meet with Static Flow, Galatala.
Yeah, we're chilling like siyadibana kwi-sessions ezininzi yabo, and
God
she's doing
damn,
very
she's
good,
dope.
Oh, ibhoza laa mntana yo.
She's gangster, bro. Yo.
Yeah, Static Flow, Umfura, I met Umfura as well apha.
Yeah.
Ukhona nomnye umjita, I don't know your girl, you're the right guy ozomkhumbula igama lakhe. This guy, he did a song with you, unenqayi umjita, ngathi zizigora la man, libele igama lakhe, but usoloko khona kweza sessions.
Jeez, abana ngibani lo. Mhlawumbe zamcinga, I don't know.
Let me show you what I can. I don't know, man, my yeyiphi ngoma niyenzileyo noyithi.
Oh yeah, Useida igama lakhe. Yeah.
I also met him and welcoming grand amajita way. Where's Cape Town kwelcala enza show bandi grand covered. Now I'm comfortable, you know. No flash and all that. Otherwise, indlela ndibona ngayo ngoku iJoburg, it's South Africa. AmaZulu atsala ngapha, amaXhosa atsala ngapha, abaTswana batsala ngapha, wonke umuntu utsala ngapha. So iXhosa tribe isazama ucreate i-platform yabo. But I say, okay, it's not Gxarha, okay, and then basabopha schemes sabo amajita amaXhosa, and then I'm sure in two year time, so basically competitive that it came in, you know?
Yeah. Anyway, thing is, when I'm fair to this thing has always been happening. Sitsalela ngapha nangapha man yabo. We don't wanna come together. If I always say this, even industry yabo acting, the percentage yomXhosa it's very, very minimal. Kakhulu. Especially on TV. Kakhulu on TV. The percentage is kakhulu. You'll find abaTswana, you'll find abeZulu, abeSuthu, amaPedi, yoShangan. If you're born, I think la time ufunde vundla. No. This other timer, le yenza umuvango. I think that timer ukuze yenza umuvango was trying to create a platform for amavenda because amavenda bege kakhulu on TV. Yeah, but I think that platform was created for that purpose. I'm not sure. I think I might be wrong though. So umXhosa eJoburg funeke alwe ukuze abe grand. You need to fight. You need to make sure that you dope for what you present because ziyakhala.
Yeah, man, and ukubona I realize mafuneka uzazi kuqala. Xa uqala uzazi ube ne room of disappointment. And then thirdly,
sure.
On whatever you're doing, funeka uyazi ukuthi lo muntu uthi kuwe uyakuvalela okanye awuzukwazi uyenza into ethile. Funeka uyazi uba i-success yakho ayidipendanga kuwe. If umengelo, step by step, day by day, you're gonna gain a lot of investors, a lot of people that can come and say all of that. Ukugqitha la muntu ukuxelela uba wena awuzolenza because of ubhebe kanje. Ingxaki ziyadelela yabo ezala njengoba zidelela nje ke ngoku. Sometimes ubona uba mana koza bozitreatwa kanje, and then emva koko aphele umuntu esithi esibangalani uba yena une-upper hand because it's a Zulu or because it's a Tswana or whatever. So we're facing that, but the initiative though, le Conscious Sundays, and whatever movements abazipusha the Gauteng, it's coming good. I don't wanna lie because Bona no Ayanda Daweti is attending the show.
Sure.
I see khona nomjida waseNgcobo beke nambona TV some other time. Then imbone kula show naye. So it's doing good, man. I so wish by cool. So by attending those shows, okay, yeah.
Yes, I think I was part of the first one, the first installment. Yeah, Conscious Sunday, because I think I was that side when Eleno started with the thingy. I think the first one I was part of, and I performed. There was Infecting Tabs was there. Tabs was sloshed, bro. He did not perform. He was drunk, man. He was out of the roof. He did not perform.
That's crazy.
But it was vibes. I say Manuel Nino is doing good. El Nino is doing good as a way, and he's trying a lot to put us on. Yeah, about who us is about Xhosa. And anyway that we should not focus kuyo like the way we show. We must not seek for validation in Johannesburg. We are dope as we are, dog. We good. We are born. How about now? Since we're this good, since I'm create our own platforms, you understand? Because I feel like Joburg is already clustered, is already full with everything. There's nothing new also in the Joburg besides Urapang course. That's all you're bringing. Yeah, but and then what? You understand? Can't you've built your name quicker so much that when a household name okay, if Gxarha, shit is gonna go down. You understand? So sometimes in validation when in the you understand? But again, we all know, but that is the hub of entertainment. We are about entertainment. In order for it to blow, you must be in Joburg. You need to go to Joburg. But the head office of entertainment is in Joburg. We all know that. So that is why Abandaba is at that side.
Yeah, and it's very easy for you to access Joburg, like, because even in a TV, like in main media, South Africa is a Joburg. You follow me? Yeah. Can you? What's going on? Yo.
Okay, I'm back. I'm back.
So, yeah, Yeah, man. Look, let me tell you. The validation thing, of course, and abantu abaninzi out here, they will tell you that you're big-headed when you're trying to say, I'm supposed to depend on Kubana, I'm not supposed to sound like Kubana and all of that. But stage up until abantu bazawuthini bazaqhela nje ngoGxarha uba umuntu onjani. Umbona uBherhi wave ayenzileyo kuqala, like without even trying to sound like whoever. You feel me?
Sure.
And everyone went crazy about that. So the idea discover kakhulu kuyo yonke le wave kaBherhi apha kum is this. Do your thing with the Xhosa sakho and make it expensive. How? You create your music and sell it to your people. Give it to your people like anyone else. YouTube, Reels, whatever. As long as I'm unika abantu bakho isiXhosa bakuvana. Now abantu besiXhosa, they'll start to be proud ngalona nge-artist yabo le banika umculo. Now they start to market your music to their Tswana friends, Tsonga friends, American friends, or whoever. Now iyaqala uGxarha ngoba expensive ke ngoku. Now okay, who is this Gxarha? uMaxhosa ijezi yakhe ebeyidura kanjani?
Dude,
because they akafunanga ubonakala njengo-Nike okanye abonakale njengo-Billabong or something else. We-create ngendlela yakhe, emva koko wathini wakhulisa isidima sakhe, yabo. So I'm on that process even now, trying to umisa isidima sami njengendoda njengomXhosa, wherever omnye umuntu osuka kwenye indawo esondela kuma yazi uba this iconic artist is expensive, you know. Umculo the quality, the presentation yomculo yonke nje lana. So I'm working on that as well, yabo. And ngikhala abantu abakuthi emakhaya bayifunde nabo wena yabazama by learning that as well, you joining the movement, siyasibambisana, siyasifundisana, movement iqina, bayibabona abantu ba hayi man ikhona manje le tribe enzi nje. So it's a matter of time man yabo, andikhalazi that much.
Sure. No, I get you. And Mfethu, enye into ne ephinde ndimane ndibuyela kuyo xa ndithetha. We never had mentors. Yeah, but that's why uzofind we siyasaleka kwinto ezininzi in terms of understanding. We never really had mentors. Thina sibezi mentors yethu, and only now we find ukhona mentors, and also nathi sizi mentors for youngins. You understand? Whereas we find these days it's even hard for the youngins to listen to you because you understand what have you done with your career? What did you do? What is the amazing thing? What is it that you've done? I understand my talk. And classic pinda sithethelela thina ixesha esiqale ngalo siqale ngesikhathi se-infrared ne-Bluetooth dog.
Yeah.
You understand? So that's why it's so difficult for abantu to pinpoint izinto abazenzileyo, despite of gigs ebesibanazo zingadocumented, because la i-250 had no good camera and ispace ayo being 250 megabytes. We are basically 512, so we couldn't capture much for us to have a reference. I can mentor you because I've done A, B, and C. I've been here. I've been like dog. There's so many radio interviews that Pizzo has been on, but there's no documentation along the way. Can't get documented along the way. So there's no reference. There's no physical reference. City, nance. Dude, I'm from Season Scoop, dog. You understand? I'm from Radio Coast, Algo FM, everywhere, Metro FM, everywhere. Every SABC 2 morning live. But as documented. I remember Scoop was crazy about that. You can follow his Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
So why did you decide to move to Joseph?
Got exhausted, bro, because most of so second figure notice by as zawumamela uJino ezi, and then zimamela i-Black Cats ezi, ukuba awuzizwa wena hayi awuzumameleka.
Sorry to catch you, man. uJino wayaphi dog?
Bengike ndabuza uDangatye about him, besithi ukhona around, but otherwise ngeke udlala umculo wakhe apha. uJino is hard, it's still hard, man. Yo,
is proper. Okay, continue. Continue, dog.
Yeah. Okay, uJino is my favorite MC, by the way, man. Ukuba you're in that situation, but when you're trying to prove yourself. I have my niggas that I was pushing with. Those niggas like Todd Man. Todd Man was hard as fuck. Okay, no. There's niggas like there's Ikhululekani is Yakim.
Khululekani TVL, yeah.
TVL, they were pushing so hard, but I feel like the recognition maybe I deserve, you feel me? No hate and all that. So now I'm gonna put PE. Did I go grade 12 the move? Now shall Ali says I was Steven like.
Oh yeah.
Ali I feel like, you know what? You can see it. Only a band come before the page. Oganye, the platform you want to test and rap and performance along. babandimamele, and then xa ndidibana bendleleni bandibulise ngalaa ngoma, and I was like, okay, this is the right place for me to be, you know. Ndahlala ke Alice ndapusha khona, ndazama umisa iculture yam ukuthi ndakhupha nee-mixtapes khona, ndizifumene apho kakuhle. And then but still ndabona kaloku andisakhule Alice, ndigqibile i-degree, I can't continue doing honors, but I know I want to be an artist, you know?
Yeah.
Of which I'm doing the honors on human resources and all that. So I was like, okay, it's fine. No, let me move. Koma ndayihlale ekomani mankandiqonda nditsho ingxaki enye ibindibetha la way ye-belonging. Okokuqala ndikwaseNgcobo, njengoba ndikwaseNgcobo ndiyatulatula. So now xa esithi uCasper wase-Maftown, I feel like damn ndiwapha them. So xa isithi uNantsika uMagxera, I'm from Magxera, I was like, dang bro, I want to say ndikwaseNgcobo nam, but ngubani ondaziyo eNgcobo, ngubani ozondimamela eNgcobo. Okay, ndasondela ngekomani ndazama ucreator phaa i-clouds because ndikhulele phaa kanye beke ndafunda kwelaa cala, and then abantu bakhona baqala bayandirecognize, ndibona okay imbonakalo engenzayo. Then ndathi okay, it's fine. Ezibeleni kusidoti apha ngoku yonke into easy apha. Uba ndiyafika mhlawumbi ithaveni, mhlawumbi ndiyokhangela loo mntu, ndi-offarishe ubhiya. Okay, apha iba ndihleli endlini ngoku mhlawumbi onemani yo-Tuesday, kumntu okhwazayo phantsi xa ndithi njalo hamba ndikavule kandivula 2 minutes nyana ncoko ubuye zesithi okay mani nayi 3 beers nayi 5 beers, and I was like okay it's fine. Umntwana yabo kanti mna into endiyifuna kanye ndifuna ukuthenga utywala obuduru kandisela kakuhle utywala yabo. I can't be that guy for izijwejwe and for i-black labels and all that yabo. Ndithenga utywala busy expensive, so funeka ndisikanile. So okay it's fine. So okay it's fine, move apha ndibheke eRhawutini. Into endinayo apha ndinekhompyutha endihamba nayo, ndinematshini yam yeprint izikili. Soze ndingakwazi ukuphila eRhawutini xa ndithathe eziwayenza. Ndithengisa ngoku into ebendifike nayo endlini, thenga amatikiti ebhasi, awela ngamalanga yabo. So into yezeRhawutini ibisisininzi, ithatha i-chance. I knew okokubana mandizaba grand because ekomani ndirenta the same money bendirenta ngayo ekomani, le ndirenta ngayo apha ePitori yabo. So I was like akho needness because bendihleli
funeka siyihlebe ecaleni uba imalini because ndifuna uzohlala eJoburg, ePitoli in fact. ndifuna uzohlala ePitoli man, ndifuna usuka eKapa soon.
No, you can pull up uchilled apho kungcono, as long as xa une-clients zakho nexesha lakho akho mntu ukuhluphayo. Ngoba ekugqibeleni apha abantu abasebenza eburhulumenteni nabantu abasebenza kwiinto ezifana nee-teaching neentoni bambalwa kwagqitha ii-hustlers. Ii-hustlers zininzi, abantu abaninzi benza imali apha bengasebenzi. Thuka umntu hayibodoka imali engako uyithatha pha, athe ifowuni ndingakubuzwanga kuseRhawutini.
Okay, so umuve because ubunari basically, ubunari kutulatula, and also ne-recognition ubungayifumani ngenxa because in fact mna ndikwazi ngowasekomani, mna ndikuve xa usintroduce yoma sithi hayi ndikucinde ukucwenga from eNgcobo. This nigga ngowaseNgcobo okanye ngowasekomani, because you really rapped ikomani very well, you represented ikomani very well uyabo.
Yeah, I did. Look,
just to touch on something. Sure, you can.
Okay, yeah, before you touch that, ungayilibali.
Sure.
Le nto yam yoba ndikwasekomani ndisereyidweni ke, ndikhuphe ingoma noZubu sisereyidweni emthobweni noSlice. And then ndithethe kwa ndithi okay, shout out to my niggas from Queenstown. I represent Queenstown all day every day yonke la eliya. That can phume ereyidweni ndafumana icall kumakazi, hayi mntanam ungazi uphinde ulahle ingcobo ya uthi wasekomani yo. And I feel a bad kanjani because ndikhulele eNgcobeni bandikhulisile uthando yonke laa nto yokwazi abantu being appreciated by ilali yonke eNgcobo and all that. Now ndisuke eNgcobo ndayofuna isikolo ekomani, now sendirepresent ikomani yabo. And I was like oh flip, ndiflopile man, I need to work on that yabo. Can you hear me? Damn, bro. Something happening. Lord Shed easy. Come on, man. It's a boy Daisy. It's a boy me. Be chilling. Pizza just left this screen, and I'm feeling like I'm Mr. Bean. I take the win. Dlaling amagama clean, a smoking green. Sunkhayela pakudin. Ndimoshiye vibing, be rapping ubherhi like I'm a street kid. I'm doing this thing since I was a kid, but now as long as it cheap lo fit, the fit, it awudlala umbambo tima unakit, awudlali nami wena, you lied. Awundazi nani ngixarha lothi, xarha mnati. Killing these kids and get kicks like karate. Doing this shit like I'm clean like I'm a nati. Like Illuminati, mighty, Illuminati, so that I can rap. Nam ndizonwabele nami, minami, khangela imali, angifuni money. Sendima uGxarha loji lityani, njani, funa njani uzenzo wami umngani. Okokuqala wena ungamdubula umuntu onikhombe ngegani. Okwesibini, ungayibuza imate yakho ibimke nabani xa ibihambe nami njenge-out yakho umngani. Life is not that sour, it's sweeter, honey. Now I'm inspired by OGs, Odangatye, Ayifani. Wena ungubani asifani. Pizzo is gone now. You know what I mean? And I'm rapping alone now. I've been doing this shit, I'm on my own now. I'm on my own now. I do this shit on me, like your own goal on now. I don't know what the fuck is happening, man. You know what I mean? But we still like keep the archive. There's a lot to achieve until I'm alive. What you got, nigga? 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 Nenda yonke wena ufuna nibe nantoni? What you got, nigga? Ujongele poni, What you got, nigga? Ngapha ndiphethe ikoni, ne? What you got xa ndifika? Mina ndifowuni, ne? Awuboni, ne? Okanye awunditokoli, ne? People working, okanye work but awurholi, ne? Nalapho. I don't know what's going on. Please put me. You know what I mean? But we're still alive. Everything is continuing. You are in the show. Everyone can see and hear you clearly. You know what I mean? How many everyone here? Only Pizzo can see how many everyone is in here. You know what I mean? But it's fine. Bayakale Kasinati feeling, yeah. How did you do it? You went to use your phone. Pero matengi ndo. Pero kaba. I told my bed. When you put it in, it will look at so he suggested that the transfer we about to transfer money. About to transfer money. Mina now was funny, Johnny. Shit. Tina. Pizzo, where you were? Where you were? Damn, God. What's going on here, nigga? What's going on, nigga? Man, what's going on? This shit ain't doing what I wanted to do, So smooth.